prepositions. So what do you mean by preposition? So preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word in a sentence. Okay. So what are the prepositions? In, on, at, under, beside, between, behind, near, above and below. Okay. Now do you know where the things are? Let's test your super grammar skills. Okay. So let's start. The cat is in the box. The pencil case is on the book. Where is the ball? The ball is under the table. Where is the gift? The gift is between two children. Where is the bench? The bench is behind the tree. Where is the can? The can is beside the plant. The can is beside the plant. So, beside meaning the thing, something or someone next to or by the side of. Here the can is by the side of the plant. That's why we use beside. Now, tell me, where is the clock? The clock is above the vase. So, not touching. Okay. That's why above the vase. The boy is the chair. Where is the position of the boy? What we are going to use? Here the boy is near the chair. The boy is near the chair. We use here next to and here near. If you want a separate video where we are going to use beside and where we are going to use near, then please comment us. Then I am going to make a separate video on using the preposition beside and near. Okay, coming to the ninth one, the dog is the cushion. So where is the dog? Can you tell me? This is very easy. So the dog is on the cushion. So touching the surface. Okay. Now the shelf is the desk. Here is the shelf. This one. Here is the desk. So are they touching? No. So that's why the answer is above. Okay. So above the desk. Okay. Now number 2 and number 3 you are going to solve, because I already told you where to use what. So tell me in the comment section the answers of the number 2 and the number 3. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe, and please follow and subscribe Kidoctave Homeschooling FB page. Visit our website.